Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. We are doing a route that I'm not that familiar with, Egerton to Charing, which takes us, I think, under the M20. Lots of little lanes that I'm not familiar with, but it's a country drive. So let's do it and see what occurs. I might get lost on this one. We shall see. I think it's another 10-minute drive. So, yeah, still testing out the DJI, make sure it's functioning properly. But you get a drive in the countryside. So I've just left Smarden, driven past the Deering Woods on the outskirts of Pluckley. And I thought, yeah, let's go through the village of Egerton. Egerton to the left, it says. Blind Bend. Check the mirrors just in case there was something whizzing round. Wow. Wouldn't it be pleasant if the route is like this all the way? No traffic. So I think this route takes us through Charing Heath, gets us onto the A20. I love little drives through villages like this, country lanes. Posty. So rural, they have to come out in their little vans. There's Egerton up on ahead. My understanding is that Eric Stewart of 10cc used to live here. I think he lives in France now. I think he's in his 70s. He must be in his 70s. I'm not in love. Right, into Egerton, 30 miles an hour. Charing 5 miles that way. And I want to go to Charing. I'm confused. Do I want to go? I'm going to follow the signs, because we're ultimately just heading for Charing, aren't we? Rather than a trip into Egerton High Street or village centre. But this may well take us through there. Some very pleasant old buildings around here. Yeah, I think this takes us into the town centre, village centre. Oh boy, it's a big truck. I'm going to go backwards where there's more space back here. That'll work. I'll get past it here. Know your vehicle. Know how to manoeuvre. I wouldn't have got through at this point. I wasn't expecting that. Big truck through a little village, but there's the thing. You never know what you're going to encounter, so you might as well be prepared. This place is pleasant in the summer. Summer walks, all that kind of thing. There's a lot of public footpaths around. Children playing or a playground. Didn't say whether it was a school or anything. Just a picture of kids. Bend in the road. So this is the village centre, Egerton. Pluckley and Ashford that way, Charing 3.5 miles this way. No footway for 670 yards. Could be pedestrians, watch out for that. Watch out for big trucks. Still a 30 zone. Wow, it really is a country lane drive, isn't it? Where do I go? Do I go straight on? Charing straight ahead. Always look out for the signs. Very narrow lane here. Could be oncoming traffic. Snowdrops. I almost want the lanes to widen up because my concentration full on. Car behind me, because he knows I'm in front, is right up my jacksie. But I shall not go faster just because of that. Okay, I see big trucks and stuff, so there's the motorway. Oncoming vehicle, is it a bus? It's a van. We go over the motorway. I thought we went under it. Did you hear the blue lights or the sirens? 30 miles an hour again, but the roads are wider, which is nice. I think this road should now take us onto the A20, where we'll hang a right and drive down into Charing. Are we about 9 minutes on the video so far? DJI behaving itself. I've got playground. I think this is Charing Heath. Heath Farm School. Looking at the signs. Charing 2 miles. We're on target. The Red Lion. It's a nice pub, isn't it? Tucked up on the green. Right, roads are narrowing again. Watch out for those speeding oncoming vehicles. Crossroads ahead. Advance warning, this road will be closed the 23rd of Jan. That's an advance warning, isn't it? That's why I always ignored road closed signs. That thing has been there since January. We're now, what, the 18th of February? People in the road. And the sign is still there, which then leads me to think, whenever I see a road closed sign, has someone actually just forgotten to remove it? Oncoming traffic. It's pulling in. We can squeeze by. 40 miles an hour. I'm seeing all these little houses and lanes, and it's making me think of Scandinavia. I'm thinking to myself, I would love to go back up there and just do a lot of driving videos. Cars turning left. I guess I just need my channel to have like 100,000 subscribers. Get myself one of those platinum plaques. So I'm now at 1,030 subscribers on this channel. So that's like not even 1%, is it, of 100,000? So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Let's get this channel moving, and then I can go further afield, because the revenue coming in from the channel can pay for the fuel. That would be good. Wow, is this never ending? Right, where are we now? We've got a T-junction coming up. Charing Heath to the left, Charing and Ashford, Pluckley and Smart. And, oh, I know where I am. I'm coming into Charing. I was expecting to come in over the motorway. I should have turned left at the Red Lion. That would have done it. As it is, we're in Charing this way, and the station is just up ahead, so not bad. I had a request to do Faversham to William Harvey Hospital, but now that I'm at this side of Ashford, I might actually do the run in reverse, so go from William Harvey Hospital to Faversham. That takes me more towards home, and because the DJI is behaving itself, I might actually be able to cover a 20-minute video. So yeah, watch out for that. I'm going to give it a shot. If it doesn't appear on the channel, it's because the DJI didn't work. We are in Charing. I have to turn left at the far end, so I'm actually going to drive into the station and stop the video here. So there you go, another trial by fire for the DJI to see if it would work. And it is. I think I might have hit on the solution. When I was using this one, the old one, in those last couple of videos I put out, the focus comes and goes and comes and goes. Never worked that one out on this one, but the newer one, fixing it on tilt lock, which when I fire it up, makes the lens stick rigidly like that, so I can put it in the cradle and aim it out at the windscreen. Seems to be working, so I'm pleased about that. Which means I'm going to give the next video a go. As I say, if it doesn't appear on the channel, it's because the DJR gave up. But we're going to go from William Harvey to Faversham. So, yeah, but that's not in this video. That'll be the next one. So for now, thanks for watching and bearing with. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. No, keep saying the same thing. Drive with care.